My name is Itay. I'm 46 years old. I live in Brooklyn. I was scoping out surgeons for some procedures, and he showed up in a number of places, like highly ranked. So I checked the website, likely obsessively for a while before I worked up the nerve to call him. And we did a consult. I spoke to the frontline staff. They were super nice, and video consult, and now here I am. I chose Dr. Wiser after our video consult because he was super calm. He speaks with conviction and very deliberately. I was more nervous then than I am now. And it was just a really easy conversation about something that's very uneasy for me. So that did it. That did it for sure. I think after the consult with him, it didn't take very long for me to know that, like, that's the guy, that's what I want, who I want to work with. So I appreciate Dr. Wiser and his team very much because they really take their time. I think they answer all of my millions of questions. They're super patient. They have been able and flexible to work around schedules, and Dr. Wiser does a really good job of explaining everything to me in detail. So a lot of the unknowns become a little more familiar, and it makes something that's really scary and potentially risky a lot less. So I appreciate that very much about him and the staff. The procedure I had was to have excess skin removed from my chest after a pretty massive weight loss. So very nerve-wracking thing to talk about, personal, I think, and they made it pretty easy. Whoa, it's still early on, but I'm still kind of in shock, right? The change is drastic. I feel wonderful. I don't feel as if there's a secret that I am afraid to tell people. I feel calmer, and it's a good feeling. Relax. I would definitely tell my pre-procedure self to relax. You're in good hands. Nerves are good. Too many, not so much. But yeah, for sure, relax. I received a lot of really good instruction. Staff was very available. They checked up on me frequently, and when I had questions or concerns, they were there. So recovery is, first few days are not the most pleasant thing in the world, but after that, you kind of fit into a routine, and now it's 4 months later. I finally feel like I'm back in shape. I feel all right. I feel good. I would say trust the process. I would definitely say it's terrifying and scary, but the end result by far is outweighs all of the nerves. The juice is worth the squeeze, right? It's really can be life-changing. It takes a lot out of you. You have to plan your whole life around it for a while, but totally worth it. Totally, totally worth it.